I'm Avril Pulley and I used to be a China flower maker. We used to make life-size flowers. We also did all the flowers on the bird models and bows as well. Even on the Shire horse, for instance, it has all the mane and all the little bows all down the mane, and we would have made that. But I'm going to show you a Christmas rose, or a Hellebore, as you might well know that it is. I've already done the centre, and they're all little tiny stamens that you can buy, and I've already wired it up, and I've just made the leaves, the petals I should say, already. So I'm just going to wire it all up together, very fine wire. And as you can see, I've dusted it with some green and some yellow, and with dusting powders that you can dust on afterwards. So they normally have about 5 petals. And of course, hellebores or Christmas rose, you can get them in all sorts of colours. So then we're going to tape it up. Get some tape and tape it up. And then I'm going to put some holly leaves. I've made some holly already. And I've got some berries as well, little red berries. And I'm going to put the red berries in and tape that up. There we go. And then I've put a bit of mimosa, little tiny mimosa, which looks like pollen.